If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture in parabola. So today we will see what is the length of subtangent and what is the length of subnormal. What do you mean by subtangent and subnormal? Okay, then let's see this. Now one thing I forgot in case of circle, so that's why I thought in tangent I will make it clear. So length of what is subtangent, what is subnormal. So at a point, in case of circle also it will be same. So at a point you draw a tangent, you draw a normal. So this tangent will meet x-axis at some point, and this from here to here, this is known as subtangent. In case of circle I am drawing here. Suppose you have a circle. So suppose you have drawn a tangent here. So this tangent meet here. So this from here to here, this becomes your subtangent. Suppose this is the normal. So this from here to the normal where it meets x-axis. So this is subnormal. This is subnormal, and this is subtangent. So this length is known as subtangent, this length is known as subnormal. So here you can say this tangent meeting here. So this Mn becomes, this is given, this is given. The Mn is tangent and Pt is the normal. So Mn, Pn was the tangent, Pt is the normal. And this Mn becomes subtangent and this Mt becomes subnormal. You can say the shadow of the tangent on x-axis. This is your tangent and this is the shadow of the tangent. This is the normal, this is the shadow of the normal. This shadow becomes subnormal and subtangent. So we need to find the length of this one in case of parabola. Okay. So the equation of the tangent we know, ss1 equal to 0. So this is the equation of the normal. So where it meets at n y equal to 0. So if y equal to 0, what it is x? So let us calculate x equal to minus x1. So what is the coordinate of this one? Minus x1 comma 0. So you know this coordinate, this is nothing but x1 comma 0, because this is x1 y1. You know this. What is the length of these two? x1 minus x1, x1. So it will be 2x1. So you remember that means the length of subtangent always twice the abscissa of the point P. The point at which you are drawing the tangent. So the length of subtangent will be equal to twice the abscissa, that is 2 of x1. So it becomes a formula for parabola. So similarly for normal, what is the equation of Pt? This is the equation of Pt. You can check the equation of normal. So again it is meeting at t, so at that point y equal to 0. So if I put y equal to 0, then if you calculate, your x1 is this one. So the equation of, so the coordinate is 2a plus x1 comma 0. So what is this length? Up to this is x1 and it is 2a plus x1. So this length will be 2a only, 2a plus x1 minus x1. So it is 2a. It is nothing but half of the lattice vector. You know lattice vector is 4a. So you can see it is not depending on x and y. At what point you are drawing normal, it is not depending. So your length of subnormal remains constant for all points in terms of parabola, and it is always half of lattice vector, that is 2a. It is always fixed in case of parabola. It doesn't depend at what point you are drawing normal. So subnormal length is always fixed. What is it? This is half of lattice vector. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.